That's exhaust.
All right. Import Alliance Atlanta. What are you doing? Are you fixing it?
I'm fixing the tape. It was already ripping off.
Dude, we're literally like not even half a mile down the road.
Shut up.
We got 6 more hours to go.
Yeah. Looks cool though.
You like it?
Yeah.
That'd be cool to get a big sticker like that.
Yeah. I put it in my book.
Man. I hope that's not in the way.
129 miles. Continue on I-75 south.
This is so fucked, dude. Oh my god. Dude, I'm dead.
I am too. I can't believe we got here at fucking midnight.
Kitty!
Rip that tape off. How'd it do? How'd it do? Did it do good?
Ooh.
Easy. Well, Dylan, are you happy you did this?
Yeah, I can't wait for it to be in the showcase. Oh, I mean.
If I would have waxed mine, I would have done it too, but I didn't. Why am I the guy that goes to an import show and fanboys over muscle cars?
The next day.
What were you doing again? Hey.
We got a match.
Ugh. Street Legends, bitch!
Show them that I match you. Street Legends, bitch!
I saw some A-cup titties in there.
Hey, I mean,
My tits are fine.
he's so hyper right now.
Oh my god.
You know, this game's low.
Well, I know you had to scare the shit out of that man behind you. I don't know. Hope they take cards.
It's not taking as long as I thought it would. Like, we're still pretty far up.
That's actually pretty good. Leave it.
That's just where you got the car.
Where you got it. Oh. Well, that's where his tags are from.
Yeah, exactly.
Because the tags before were Virginia. 5.
To mold it into the body. It's not it's molded into it.
They look so much bigger on video than actually on person.
I'd never seen a rally backer in person, but then I was noticing the rotiforms, and it's cool to see people do it backwards and do a brushed face and then a colored lip instead of usually like the chrome lip and then a colored face. Like they would do the red face. But I don't know, I enjoy that. It's cool. Fitment is here, and then that wide of a wheel with a 255 on it, and it's shushed on that. That's crazy. I want to know what the back's like.
What?
Take a guess. What do you think the rear tires are?
275s. 285.
285s? I'm gonna go 305s. Ooh, 305s. Oh, I knew it. Dude, works do go on anything. All right, get down here with me. All right, wheel opinion. You like a reverse lip where it just folds over like that, or do you like a step lip?
I like the step.
See, I like a step too, but I don't like a chrome finish. I would rather have a brush. I'd rather have a brushed face.
Chrome's gonna be a lot harder to keep clean.
Ooh, my boy over here. Ooh, we got likewise lug nuts. Coming soon. Dude, I love wagons so much. Hey, Ronnie, where you at? God, I really like this color. I've seen a lot of people do the the ducktail, and then they'll do another carbon fiber wheel.
What? That's too close to the front.
Yeah. But like I really, yeah, it's not just like a roll over in the lip like that right there, VSKFs right there. But like it steps up, and then I really like the brushed look. That's clean.
I like VSKs.
Coming soon.
Certain cars she likes? None of them? Has she been in a fast car? She here? I don't know what to tell you.
Jump box in the troll. Yeah, JD, you can just pick up my. So literally tomorrow when you get home, where you been?
All right, you say 315? What do you say?
305 again, honestly.
305s? All right, I'm gonna go smaller. I'm gonna go 285s. All right. Moment of truth. 315s. Who said 315s? Did you see 315s?
Yeah.
Good job.
I said 315.
God, dude. This is my favorite fucking color. If I was gonna redo any car, this is the color I would do. There's so many just small details that just make it so pretty. Vertex wheel. Oh my god, I want it so bad. So bad, so very bad. Alright, let's play a game. Alright. On the perfect showcase cars. Let's try to find one flaw. Everybody loves the look of WhAAAATTTT when it looks like that. That's what I'm saying. Meisters are overplayed now. But I still love the brushed lip.
What size is the tire on this one?
WhAAAATTTT again, yeah.
WhAAAATTTT is 340.
Oh, this is what was on that old.
Dude, it's got my seats in it, dude.
Did that match your paint? Everything.
My man over here knows how to build a car. Freaking wide body 370, static seats, Vertex wheel. Love it.
What you hear is basically like
Mustard yellow. I like it. I like when people do that. They actually do the rear seats with the bride too to match the front. Dude, I enjoy shit like this because I looked at this at first and I didn't know what it was. Sierra flew. It looks like you got some competition.
It's not as good. RWB, like,
I've never seen one. He's never seen one.
yeah, I know.
Fucking
you've never
dream cars.
Only this certain year.
I love the way these wheels are brushed, but they're still shiny. That's what I want. Okay, by far my favorite car here. I've followed this one on Instagram for so long.
Fucking shred it, bro. Thank you.
Thank you.
My mom. Damn, Trevor, your forehead look big as fuck in the camera.
It look big as fuck outside the camera.
You gotta make your fingers much longer than that to fit that forehead. He thinks he's cool because he's high right now. He's high right now.
He would have to smoke.
Yeah. Yeah. Trevor smoked tonight, guys.
Saw dude.
I like the color match.
Oh, a Porsche. Look, everyone's do a burnout.
This guy has
Day 2.
This is gonna be fun.
Oh my god, it's so cold today.